3, 2, 1.
From which part of the world do lima beans originate? The answer is A, South America. Transgenic animals are animals that have incorporated a gene from another species into their what? The answer is C, genome. Which tool is used for sanding surfaces? The answer is D, sander. Which ocean has the lowest salinity levels? The answer is D, Pacific. When was the last episode of the OC aired? The answer is C, February 22, 2007. California joined the Union and became one of the United States on September 9, 1850. Which was the next state to join the Union? The answer is A, Minnesota. The short length of what in women is the best explanation for the greater incidence of UTI in women? The answer is C, urethra. What is the name of the city in Neon Genesis Evangelion? The answer is A, Tokyo 3. All of the following medications are contraindicated during pregnancy, except which one? The answer is D, nitrofurantoin. Which classical composer wrote the Nutcracker Suite? The answer is C, Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. What are modified leaves that bear sporangia? The answer is C, sporophylls. Who was the emperor during the fall of the Roman Empire? The answer is C, Constantine I. Which artist is known as the father of Impressionism? The answer is A, Claude Monet. What is the second largest ocean? The answer is A, Atlantic. Which ocean does not touch Asia? The answer is B, Arctic. What is the unit of time used by astronomers to measure the rotation of celestial bodies? The answer is A, minute. Which game was the first to have online multiplayer capabilities? The answer is C, Asteroids. Which TV show centers around a dragon named Daenerys Targaryen? The answer is B, Game of Thrones. Which vegetable contains the highest amount of vitamin C? The answer is C, broccoli. The frost line of the solar system divides the terrestrial planets from the gas giant planets. What elements make up most of the core of the planets orbiting outside of the frost line? The answer is D, hydrogen and helium. Which muscle is a band-like muscle that extends from the anterior superior iliac spine to the medial side? The answer is A, sartorius. Which movie features the theme Bachelor No. 1 Monsters, Inc.? The answer is B, Monsters University. Which is the first day of the 40-day period of Lent in the Western Christian calendar? The answer is D, Ash Wednesday. Who wrote the novel Beloved? The answer is A, Toni Morrison. Which mountain range has the longest continuous chain of peaks above 8,000 meters? The answer is B, Himalayas. Who has the record for longest fingernails on a pair of hands? The answer is B, Chili Pepper. Which device did Steve Jobs introduce in 2001? The answer is D, iPad. What can't be seen, felt, or heard but still occupies space? The answer is A, dark matter. What animal is the largest mammal on Earth? The answer is C, blue whale. What vegetable is often used for dyeing Easter eggs? The answer is A, beetroot. What is the name of the woman on the flight with Fletch in the movie Fletch Lives? The answer is C, Cindy Me Sample. What is the term for a person's emotional response to a situation that seems inappropriate or exaggerated given the objective threat? The answer is D, emotional dysregulation. What organs need constant pressure to filter the blood? The answer is C, kidneys. Where is most of the mass of the atom located? The answer is B, in the nucleus. Which of these is not an actual name of a sea? The answer is A, Blue Sea. What slogan did Max Headroom use to promote a well-known soft drink? The answer is A, Catch the Wave. What percentage of 75 is 45? The answer is D, 75%. What is the name of Holden Caulfield's school in The Catcher in the Rye? The answer is A, Pensy Prep. Which book features a detective named Hercule Poirot? The answer is C. Murder on the Orient Express. Which is a producer? The answer is D. Strawberries. Which force keeps the planets in their orbits around the Sun? The answer is A. Gravity. Which art movement emphasized bright colors and geometric shapes? The answer is B. Cubism. What is the first console released by Sony? The answer is B. PlayStation 4. What year did the movie Grease 2 come out? The answer is D. 1982. Which original member of the Pin Pals, Homer Simpson's bowling team, is forced by circumstances to give up his place in the team? The answer is B. Otto. Which building is known for its Cloud Gate sculpture? The answer is D. Millennium Park Cloud Gate. What sounded the death knell for radio news on commercial radio stations? The answer is C. Radio Deregulation Act of 1981. Which company developed Super Mario Bros.? The answer is A. Nintendo. The cell wall of plants is made up of a complex carbohydrate that is a polymer of what sugar? The answer is A. Glucose. Who does Darlene start dating after she breaks up with David in the 7th season of Roseanne?